Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set sleep timer on your LG TV. So the easiest way to do this is by short pressing the gear button on your remote control to open the quick settings menu, then navigate into this sleep timer tile and tapping on it, and then selecting the value from one of the available options you see right here. And if you don't see the sleep timer in your quick settings menu, then you can customize it by selecting the pencil icon in the top right corner of this sidebar, and then selecting the plus tile at the bottom, and here select the sleep timer option to add it to your quick settings menu. Besides, you can also access the sleep timer through the general settings by going to all settings menu. In all settings, select general, and then navigate down to system. Then go to time and timer. Then in time and timer, navigate to timers and open this menu. Then select power off timer. We have a sleep timer. Sleep timer, and then select one of the available options you see right here. Now, besides, you can also customize your auto turn off time by going back to general section in your settings and then navigating all the way down to energy saving. Here you have auto power off option, and you can select one of the available options right here. For example, 6 hours. And that's basically how you can set the sleep timer on your TV. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.